When you want to visit a website, your device normally connects directly. But with a proxy server, your request takes a detour. You send your request to the proxy first. Think of the proxy as a friendly middleman. It receives your request, processes it, and fetches the web page on your behalf. That is the big difference between a proxy and a VPN. While a proxy only masks your IP, a VPN encrypts all your data end-to-end, keeping your online activity completely secure. Organizations also use proxies to filter content. They can block access to specific websites, keeping networks safe and productive. But keep in mind, because all your traffic passes through the proxy, it can log everything you do online, including the websites you visit. Proxies also speed things up using caching. If many users request the same site, the proxy saves a copy and serves it to you instantly, saving time and bandwidth. Because the proxy made the request, the destination website only sees the proxy's IP address. Your real IP address remains completely hidden. However, there is a catch. Standard proxy servers do not encrypt your data. Anyone snooping on your network can still see what you are sending. Finally, the proxy delivers the requested web page safely back to your device.